Hey guys, I'm showing you today the Depo Racing 4-in-1 exhaust gas temperature gauge. It's the product number WA60574B. It measures in Celsius degree and in bar. I hooked everything up. It comes with the instructions, a sticker, all the 3 sensors, and the holder for the dashboard. Here we got the temperature gauge for the liquid. You can use that for water, gas or oil. Then you have the pressure sensor, which you also can choose if you want to have oil pressure or fuel pressure. And then all the way over there, there's the exhaust gas temperature sensor. And now I'm turning everything on. So all the way here, the 270-degree scale for the exhaust gas temperature. Then you can maybe see the 12.3 volts, which is pretty much accurate what my power supply says. Then you have the pressure, 0 bar, and the 29-degree Celsius. Interesting is how accurate that whole thing is, because if I'm touching that, 30, maybe 31, the same as with the pressure gauge. If I'm blowing into it, it's set probably 0.1 bar. Okay, I don't want to use the torch on the exhaust gas temperature sensor, but that will be also pretty accurate. Okay.